So how can you get yourself a Ledger crypto wallet? In this video, I'm going to be showing you places where they sell these wallets and also giving you my opinion on where I feel the safest place to get your wallet is. So we're going to start off by looking at the online marketplaces. The first one is obviously Amazon, which is the biggest online marketplace, if I'm not mistaken, at the moment. Once you get into Amazon, you just come to the search bar and type in Ledger. You can type in Ledger Wallet or Ledger Nano X, as you can see it appears here, or Ledger Nano S Plus. Let's just type in Ledger Wallet so that we get multiple options presented to us in terms of the wallets that are available on the platform. Okay, so the first here is the Ledger Nano S. We have the Ledger Nano X here for $149. The S is $79. Another seller here says $79, $149. That is one place that you can get your Ledger wallets from. The second place, which is a marketplace as well, is eBay. Once you come to eBay and type in Ledger Wallet, it brings different search results. As you can see, the Ledger Nano or the Ledger wallets come with different accessories. You can have different accessories sold to you. So there are those that actually keep the Ledger wallet itself. As you can see here, this is the protective vault case. Then here the marble protective vault case as well. There are all these different options. If you want to really narrow down, then you can go ahead and type in Ledger Nano X so that you're not going through all these other items. You can see here there's a Ledger Nano X and Ledger Nano S hardware wallet backup pack. So here you can see there is a Ledger Nano S cryptocurrency hardware wallet pack of 3. This is $139. So you're going to find a variety of options on these platforms. But so far, from my experience, I've seen that Amazon has not just the most options, but their prices also kind of are realistic. Here I'm seeing $52. Really, the prices are what are throwing me off, because I know the cheapest Ledger wallet, where we actually vouch you get your wallet from, is about 12,000 Kenya shillings, which is about $100, $80 to $100. Another place you can go and check is Alibaba. Right? You type in, let's say you want a Ledger Nano X, and boom, it shows you different options here. As you can see, for some of them, they are selling in bulk, so you'll need to get like 500 pieces. But this is now for the carry case. This is not the actual wallet. Here is the actual wallet, but then I think it's showing two. I think it's showing two wallets, the Ledger Nano S and Nano X. I don't know here. It's not very clear, the naming, but it says you can get a minimum of 1 piece, and then you pay shipping of $78. So you come and check. In my opinion, I feel like the best online marketplace to get a Ledger wallet is Amazon, right? Because everything is so straightforward. I like the way the interface is organized. It gives you information straight up. I feel like the other ones, the information is all over the place, and it's just making me doubt a lot. For the online marketplaces, that's it, right? Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, you can go ahead and check all these different other platforms, but basically online marketplaces will present you with the opportunity to access these wallets. My most trusted one is Amazon. Let me know in the comment section which one you trust most of all the 3 that we've presented in this video. Now, the fourth place that we're going to look at is the most trusted, in our opinion, the safest option you have to acquire a Ledger wallet, and that is the Ledger website, which is www.ledger.com. So once you come into this website, this is what the interface looks like. Now you can come and explore all these tabs here at the top, but what we want to go to is the products. And here you can see the products are Ledger Stacks, Ledger Nano X, Ledger Nano S Plus. And then here they have other options like compare our devices. They offer packs as well. So you can buy a group of Ledger wallets, maybe a group of Ledger Nano S's or S Pluses together for a subsidized price. Right, so there are also some accessories, as you've seen as we've been looking at the marketplaces. There are all these carry cases, protective vaults, all that. So this will also be shown here. Ledger has its own accessories created for their wallets. Now let's just go to compare our devices, which is one of the features we like about purchasing on the Ledger website. So when you come to, it's still loading. When you come to compare our devices, you have the 3 main products that Ledger offers listed there: the Ledger Stacks, the Ledger Nano X, and the Ledger Nano S Plus. each of them sporting a different price, with a premium price, or the premiumly priced item being the Ledger Stacks, going at 42,689 Kenya shillings. Somewhere that would be about maybe 400, maybe $380, about there. And then here we have the Ledger Nano X priced at 22,798 Kenya shillings. That's approximately okay, I don't know the exchange rate. Let me not just put out numbers and be quoted here. But you can do the maths here. If you're in the US, then you're probably be showing up in the dollar currency, so the dollar amount. So probably you can leave us a comment showing the dollar amount, and then they have their entry level item, which is the Ledger Nano S, which is the cheapest, about 12,000 Kenya shillings. Approximately, there is all this balance here, but approximately that is the price, which will come to about $80 to $100. So this is where we encourage most of you, or all of you, to be buying your Ledger wallets. It's the official shop, and then you'll be able to get assistance directly from Ledger. If you buy from other online marketplaces, sure, your Ledger might work, but if something happens to your Ledger, I think it would be a challenge for you to approach the support team on the official Ledger website, if you didn't buy directly from them, because they don't have you in the system. You would probably need to go through the person whom you bought from, the vendor from the online marketplace. And why go through all that stress when you can do the purchase directly by yourself and have an account or a history with the Ledger company or the Ledger platform? If you're interested in buying directly from the Ledger website, you can go ahead and use our link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It's one way for you to support the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really means a lot to us. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.